Hello everybody and welcome to this step-by-step guide of how to invest in Zzish on Crowdcube. Now the first thing you will need to do is enter some personal information to create your account. This includes your email, password, name, gender, date of birth and your country of residence. The next section requires some simple tax information, including your home address and a confirmation of the country that you pay tax in. After this, you will choose your investor categorization. There are 3 categories, but if you are new to investing, then you will fall into the first category, restricted investor. The first question will ask you how much you have invested over the last 12 months. The second question will ask you how much you intend to invest in the next 12 months. I entered 2% here, but before I press continue, I made sure to read the questions and answers to the side. You will be shown a breakdown of what a restricted investor is. Please read this in detail before confirming. You will then be taken through a series of assessment questions. Before taking the assessment, you can watch a Crowdcube video and read up on investing on Crowdcube. These questions may vary in order or change slightly, but they will all evaluate your knowledge of the risk of investing. If you pass, you have 23 hours until you can invest. If you fail, you can take the assessment again. Please email us if you have any questions, as we would be more than happy to help. We can't wait for you to join us on our mission to make a difference to each and every student.